You know when you finish a makeup look and you just sit back like, yeah, I did this. This is definitely one of those looks. And if you want to know how we got here, kindly keep on watching. Hello, my Alpha Queens. You welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are just stopping by for the first time, my name is Ifeoluwa Adekunle, and this is the Alphaglam YouTube channel. On this channel, we do different things. We do makeup, skincare, gele, lifestyle. We do a whole lot. And yes, today I'll be glamming up my beautiful, gorgeous model. And yes, when I saw her face, I was like, yes, this face is so perfect. I don't want to do so much on this face. But you know, when we say we do little, but it still goes a long way, yes, that is what I'll be doing on her face. And I have used a moisturizer. I started with cleaning her skin with the micellar water. Then I went into a moisturizer. My model stated that she had a dry skin, so I decided to just use one primer on her, which was a mattifying primer. And the reason is because sometimes you have to be safe. Most people don't know their skin type, and when people are not really sure of their skin type, you just go into a primer that you're sure that at least if anything happens, it will still keep things going. Yeah, so I used my Omari Code mattifying primer. Then I'm going into a foundation, and I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation. Guys, can you see the skin match? Like, the skin match is on T. Yes. So right now I went into my muff setting spray. I used that to just make sure all the foundation sink in, and now I'll be going into this Omari Code stick. Yes, it is a contour stick, and I actually feel like I made a mistake using it because I feel like it made her skin look pale. I darkened her skin too much unknowingly, and I tried correcting it towards the end. If you keep on watching, you see how I corrected it. But at this point, I knew that, oh, if it seems like you messed up. Yeah, because I can't see the yumminess. Like, I would have loved to see the yumminess on her skin. So if you are also a makeup artist, please, you have to be careful of the product you use. And if you notice, I don't like doing contour. Contour is not what I like to do, but I just feel like, since she's light skinned, let me go into contouring and all that and see where it has landed me. I prefer to bronze, because when you bronze the skin, it is less ash, and it just gives that skin a little bit of warmth and all that. So if you have been watching my video, you will understand what I am saying. But now that I've done it, I had to move on, and I went into my blush. I used the Golipe blush palette. I used that in applying the pink blush to her cheeks, and right now I am highlighting her face. So when you know that you've made a mistake with your contour, I feel like you should correct it with your highlighting. That is why I'm using this Born This Way concealer. I'm using this to just highlight her zone. Then also I'm doing the reverse highlighting, just because if you see the shape of her face, you know that this shape of face, you need to highlight her cheekbones. Her cheekbones are really prominent on her face, so you just need it to look as good and just come out, just give that soft cheekbone softness. Yeah, so right now I am blending a highlighter into the skin, and you can see it's making the contour less ash than the way it was before. So ladies, you have to blend. If you're a makeup artist, you know the drill already. You have to blend. You blend like the kingdom comes. Yes, but you don't also have to blend too much that you will not be able to see the concealer. Please blend in a way that everything just sinks into each other. You will not see the demarcation on the face, which is what I am trying to avoid. So you can see the way I'm going into this reverse highlighting. It just makes a cheekbone more chiseled, which is what I am doing right now. And now I'll be setting her face with this Mirac setting powder in curry. Before you set her face, you want to make sure that you blend her under eye well. Blend her under eye well. You get why? And I am saying this because there are days when I have had clients that they will be rushing. They'll be saying, you have to quickly do my makeup, you have to quickly do my makeup. Then I make the mistake of not blending down the eye well. Guys, immediately you add powder, you will regret it. Like, you will just hate yourself, because you feel like, God, this could have been better. And you know, especially for middle-aged women, when you don't blend their under eyes well, you just see that creases. Like, It's so annoying. So this is why I'm saying blend that under eye well. Make sure it is seamless. Make sure they don't look down. You can see my model is looking up. Yes, make sure your model does not look down. Make sure she looks up till you apply that powder. Once you are done blending your under eye, apply the powder. And it is advisable to actually use a loose powder because it is softer, it is not too thick. It just penetrates into the skin better than when you use pressed powder. I was also a proponent of people using your pressed powder on your under eye, but I noticed that it was too heavy and it made that under eye look a little bit cakey. Not a little bit, it looked cakey, so you want to avoid that. So once you are done using your loose powder under your eyes, you go into your pressed powder. You can use that on other parts of the face because for that you can still control it, unlike under eye. Under eye, I'm saying this because as a makeup artist of over 10 years, I've seen different types of under eyes, and no, I have done a lot, and I really tell you that under eye, it can make or mar your makeup. So I don't want you to fall victim of that, and that is why I am advising you, my queens. So my queens, my alpha queens, blend that under eye. Now we are going to my favorite part of makeup, which is the blush. I used this pink and nice. It was so nice on her. You can see how you make the cheekbone rosy. So if you want to apply blush, I think I'm getting to that zone of being blush, like blinded by blush blindness. That is what people call it now. Yeah, so you have to be careful. There's a thin line between using too much of blush, because I've been seeing some horrendous blushes and I'm like, oh god, did this person not look at the mirror before going out? Blush makes you look like a clown if it is too much. So just know the right proportion for your face, please, ladies, my queens. Know the right proportion. So right now it is time to chisel our nose, and I'll also be using my bronzer. People like to use cream contour on the nose before using their bronzers or contour on the nose, but I feel like it is too harsh, and when it is too harsh, it just gives that line that at the end of the day you might not be able to blend it out. But like powders will still allow you to blend whatever you need to blend out. You can control it. Yes, and if you want a soft glam, yes, if you want a nice beautiful soft glam, powders are your best bet. Creams, you have to be able to control, because just like the contour now, you can see that the contour, despite the way I tried my best to make sure that it looked warm, this thing is still looking black to me. So you get, if it was a powder I used, it would have been easier to correct it. Yeah, so learn from my mistake, guys. Learn from my mistake. When you don't want to do something, don't do it. Now I'm brushing our brows. I'm using that brow tamer. There was a time in our life when we never used brow tamer, but right now we're using brow tamers, and that is just hold the brows in place. Now I want to do an eyeshadow. One mistake I made with this eyeshadow is the fact that I did not use an eyeshadow primer. This Annie's eyeshadow palette has been saving lives, and it has always been so pigmented. So I felt like, since I've been using it and been pigmented, I can use it with a matte eyeshadow without using a primer. Oh, how wrong was I? Oh, Chimo, I was very wrong, because this matte eyeshadow did not show. I applied. I kept touching up this yellow eyeshadow for it to pop out, but it did not pop out. So guys, for matte eyeshadow, please use your primers. Use your eyeshadow primer. Matte eyeshadows, they tend not to have so much pigments as much as shimmery eyeshadows. So please, when you're using matte eyeshadows, make sure you use your eyeshadow primer. Don't make that mistake too. I think this video is just essentially showing you all the mistakes I made while glamming up. But this is the reason why it's good to glam up models occasionally, because you tend to experiment on their face. I can't make this mistake on a client or a bride. Yeah, so that is it. It allows you to be able to know what you want to do. And for the products I'm using, I'll be listing them down in the description box, so please go and check, because I edited this video really late. Like, it was just last on my mind. I was really reluctant on editing it, but now you have it, because I love my queens and I'm ready to do anything for my queens. So what I used on our brows, I used a black pencil first, then after a black pencil I'm going into this brown Davis pencil to fill it in. Yeah, so nothing really much. The brow tamer has already held down my brows for me, so just made it easy for the pencil to just glide on top and apply it. As you can see, I'm filling up places where she does not have so much hair. You want to fill it up lightly, so you don't want it to be too much or too dark. I feel like I made it too dark, but it still was okay for her face. Yes. And right now I am lining her under eyes. I'm using a gel eyeliner. I'm using the regular gel eyeliner. That eyeliner is the bomb. It's the bomb because I have opened it down and it has not dried. 10 years ago, or my years of experience, if you open any gel eyeliner and allow air to just enter it a little bit, to dry off. But this one is not dry, and really it has always been nice. It gives that nice gel consistent feel to it anytime I use it. So I'm also using it to line the top of our eyelid, so it just pops out of the eyeshadow more. And you can see, despite applying so much yellow eyeshadow on her eyes, it's still not popping, but I just kept on applying till I got my desired results. And yeah, right now I'm trying to bring out eye wing, because I already applied the gel eyeliner and I don't want it to just give that wing, so I'm trying to smudge it. So by smudging it, it gives that illusion of a really raised cat eye. Yeah, so that's the illusion people want to give you. You want your eyes to look raised, and that is it. Right now I'm blending it out and you can see the beauty. Yes, this is the beauty. Right now it's time to conceal my brows. Honestly, I feel like if I did not conceal these brows, it will still eat. So my queens, learn to do your brows without having to conceal. Honestly, there are days when I need to go out and I need to probably glam a client as fast as I can. Honestly, concealing my brows is the last thing I want to do, because I can do the other things and they'll work. The brows too, I should be able to do it and it will work, that it will still look fine without concealing. You want to make sure that everything you are doing on a client's face looks as good as possible without having to do all this paparazzi of trying to conceal and all that. But with the concealing, it looks more beautiful. Yes, that's the beauty. But this when you have to rush and they are saying, yeah, quickly do my brows, quickly do my lipstick, I'm going, despite the fact that they have paid good money and they are not ready to sit to get the full bits. What are you gonna do? You have to be able to make do and make sure that that is when your expertise and your experience comes into play. Yeah, so once we are done with that, I'm going into my favorite lip liner, the Marigold lip liner in brown. I don't know why I decided to do this nude lips on her, but I just felt like, oh, it will look nice on her, so I decided to just line her lips with a brown lip liner. Then after that, I blended it out. You want to blend out your lips, guys, like you don't want that ash line. Yeah, so I'm using this So Pro lip stain in Omo. I've been loving it. Almost on my looks now, this is the lip stain I use, and the reason why I use it, guys, this So Pro lip stain, is because the longevity is really nice. You can wear it for 9 hours and it is still there. There are a lot of other lip stain, because you know we use it as a base. There are a lot of other lip stains that I use that immediately after 2 hours you can't find the lipstick again, but this one, you use it will still be there. So this is me promoting So Pro lip stains. I hope they run me my coins, if not now, later in the future. Yeah, so once you are done, you want to blend it together, and now I'm using this my beautiful V Beauty powder to just blend the under eye and everything together. It has a yellowish undertone to it. I don't want my model not to, I want her to look creamy, I want her to look yummy, I want her to look edible. And yes, that is what I am doing. So I'm pressing in the setting powder under, but also putting the new powders on top. So it is a technique. If you want to learn more, send me a message, I'll teach you. I'll be having a class coming up soon where I'll be teaching you how to apply your makeup. So if you are interested, kindly send a DM. I'm ready to teach you. Yeah, so this is a technique. So you are dusting off and also pressing in the powder. It is a technique. Yeah, so once I am done, guys, see my client now, see my beautiful model now. She looks so good, and it was at this point that my camera felt like, I have tried in the morning, Alphaglam, you stressed me, and it decided to go off. I did not even know that my camera was off, but right here I was just reinforcing my blush, because you know that blush has to blush. Yeah, so you can see that soft blush coming out. Yeah, So very pretty and nice. And once I am done, you know that I like blush, because why am I using 10 hours to apply blush here, but I'm still applying the blush here. So once I am done, I went into my mascara. You want to prep your lashes before apply your false lashes. Very important, guys. My makeup pet view is seeing your natural eyelashes and your artificial not looking glued together. It annoys the hell out of me. But at this point, when I was applying it, my phone died, like I stated, so I already applied that lip gloss. You can see that's the combo I used, and right now I am just smoking her under eyes because I wanted it to give that subtle look. And yes, guys, this is everything for this look. Right now I'm using my cheek glaze on the sides of her face just to give that shine so she does not look overly matte. And truly, like she stated, her skin was dry because throughout, no oil, nothing else. I was even so happy, like it just gave me what I needed. So I just had to just bring the glow back with my cheek glaze. And yes, guys, this is the final result. I hope you love it. I hope you learned a thing or two from this tutorial. If you want me to glam up a model, or if you want to see anything, just drop your comment below. Right now I finished up our look with that FBH setting spray, and it just gave me the shine I needed. So right now this is the review. She really loved it. Yes, the look was really nice, but the contour I used, I still feel like it affected the outcome of this look. But yeah, she still looks like a princess that she is. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop your comments, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. My video is telling you bye. See ya.